Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today's just a quick Dutch pour. I'm showing you the colors right now, and then my recipe is my normal Dutch pour recipe, which is 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce paint, and a half ounce water. And even the base is made that same way. My color for my base is just black, just the regular old Michaels. I can't remember the name brand. The Michaels Black Artist Loft. There we go. Just regular black. And then those are my colors. There's the black. And then also, if you guys are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button and the share button and check out the description below for all the goodies as far as all my links and my social media and any discount codes you want. It's all in the description below. All right, I'll let you guys watch. Thanks for joining. guys, it is done. I'm not exactly happy about the composition, but the colors are amazing. That Chantilly lace from Prism Pour, oh, that is to die for. That stuff gives so much shimmer. And the gold color that I used in there, I'm trying to remember what the color of it is. It's the gold one. Anyways, the bling that you get from ColourArte is just amazing. So don't forget to go if you want to try those Prism Pour or the ColourArte pigments. Get your description in the description below. There's a 20% off code. Don't forget to use it. Save yourself some money. They have a new line out called Jelly Beans, and those colors are phenomenal too. I'll be playing with those soon. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. And don't forget to check out my social media and all that good stuff. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day and thanks so much for joining.